Do you know what time it is? It is time to unbox my next Chanel giveaway! Welcome to Lifestyle with Isabella, ladies. Here we learn to look the best while being our best selves. Oh, thank you for promptly delivering the box, FedEx. Let's get this unboxing done. There's the beautiful Chanel box. Let's see. There's the box. Remove the flower, untie the box. Excuse me. Oh. That came out of nowhere. Yes, how can I help you? When is the giveaway going to start? Well, I'm glad you asked. The giveaway begins on Thursday, November 12th, is going to run for 4 weeks, and that means it's going to end on Thursday, December 10, right in time for Christmas. Well, let's continue with the unboxing. We're going to undo this ribbon. Open the box, and it's a bit hard to open. Excuse me. She keeps poking at me. Yes. What do you want to know now? How do we enter the giveaway? Oh, well, that is a good question, but I would appreciate if you don't poke at me again. The giveaway rules and how to enter are going to be announced on my YouTube video that's going to air on Thursday, November 12th. So watch that video. You're going to find out all the rules and how to enter. There we have the... I feel distracted, all the poking there. Her hair looked good though, didn't it? I need to ask her how she fixes it. And there we have our beautiful Chanel giveaway. It is a wallet on chain. You know I love the wallet on chains because you're very versatile. In caviar finish. I decided, originally I thought I was going to pick the giveaway in like a safe color, like a black or a beige. But I think for most people, 2020 has been a challenging year. And I wanted to pick a fun color. I wanted this to be just about having fun and just forgetting 2020 as much as we can. So I fell in love with this color. I couldn't get my eyes from it, and I said I'm just gonna go for it. So there you have the beautiful wallet on chain as the next giveaway. I'm really excited. Let's take a quick peek inside. There's the inside, and then it has this extra pocket, and it also has a zipper right here, but I'm not gonna remove all the protective paper, and then also a bunch of card slots. I love it. It's so beautiful. I'm very excited for the person who's going to win this giveaway. You notice the wallet on chain is in the classic flap design because me personally, I prefer the classic flap over the boy Chanel look. I do have 2 boy Chanel handbags and I love them. But in this video right here, I am finally disclosing why I prefer the classic flap. This is a great video to watch, especially if you're in the market for a Chanel handbag. Thank you, ladies. See you in the next video.